Hello, I'm Prabha from Genotronics. We'll see how to use a disposable urethroscope. So this is the disposable urethroscope. It's made in India, manufactured in Kota, Rajasthan. The length of this scope is 680 mm. It comes with a diameter of 2.5 mm or 7.5 Frenches, and it gives a working channel of 1.2 mm or 3.6 Frenches. Here, this is the angulation of the scope. It gives you an angulation of 275 degrees both up and down. This is the working channel here. Number 1 here is for camera button, and number 2 is to control the brightness on the screen. So number 1 is for both camera pictures and videos. Let's connect this scope to the monitor. This is the disposable connector here. It has to be connected this way to this jack over here. That's it. Setup is to cable, which is right. We go to the preview and it gives you an HD resolution for both image and videos. Number 1 here is for camera, like I said. So, okay. You get an icon on the top, so you know the pictures are getting clicked and saved at the same time. Long press, video recording, and long press, you can stop it. Number 2 is for adjustment of light, like this. It has no white balance as it's an autofocus scope. When you want to freeze on a particular area, you will have to go to the setup. From there you have to change its function from dimming to frozen. And now I have to press the button 2, which is same for brightness. Yeah, now it's freezed. You can take a picture. Freezed and picture. There are different ports given here. The first one is for SD card. Like I said, when the storage is running full, the internal memory we provide is 8 GB. So when that is already out of storage, you can always insert an SD card and store the photos and videos you're recording. The next one is USB cable. So you can directly connect this monitor to the laptop or PC, and you can directly extract the pictures, videos for report generation. This one here is an HDMI port. So you can connect the HDMI cable here. When you want to connect this small monitor to a big medical grade monitor, you can use this port. You can connect the HDMI cable. You can either use HDMI to HDMI or HDMI to DVI. Then here, this one is for USB stick. The next one here is for disposable connector. Also, when you're connecting the wireless transmitter, or when you want to change the connection from wireless to wired connection, there's a cable connection which goes through here. The other one is here. This is for the charge button for this particular monitor. This is a 10-inch display monitor. When you turn on the monitor, you get many options here. Firstly, while connecting the scope, you have to keep in mind whether you're going with a wireless or a cable connection. So from here, you have to go to the setup. From video source, you'll have to select whether it's a wireless connection or cable connection. So for example, if I'm going with the wireless connection, it already is wireless. But for cable, I'll have to go to cable. Okay, and now since I don't have any connection right now, the screen is black. Same setup, you have to, if in case the time is not correct, you can always choose to change the date and time here. There's a language option here. So these many languages we offer. You have to look for the transmitter whenever you're facing any difficulty to connect to it. With the wireless option, you can always search the nearest Wi-Fi to connect to the screen. Okay. Then the storage, there are two types here, flash and SD card. So if you haven't put SD card, it will be flash because the internal memory is occupying the images, whatever you're clicking and recording. Then is function switching. So from here, there are two options, dimming and frozen. So usually we keep it dimming, but if you want to freeze and look for a specific area while doing a scopy, you can choose frozen, and from the brightness button, then when you perform the scopy, once you've selected the frozen option, you go to the scopy, back to your scopy performing, and then you have to click on the right brightness button. So that's how you can freeze and look for a specific area. And when you go to the file manager, you'll get all the pictures and videos here. So while uploading, you simply have to connect the USB stick or USB cable directly to your PC. And if it's a USB stick, you'll have to connect to the monitor here and then simply select. For example, if I select all, I just have to upload, and within seconds, all the pictures will get uploaded to the USB stick. As you can see on the screen, these are the sizes available in Urethroscope, both reusable and disposable. For more details, you can contact Genotronics.